evening, audiences. Now you're watching the Encompass 2024 Breaking News with me, Arin Putri Zafira Pardede, who will be reporting for today's news. Historical buildings are spread out in Indonesia from Sabang to Merauke. Every historical building has its own story, function, and also characteristics. And today, we are going to look closer to one of the most historical buildings, a cultural heritage building in the city of Malang. The people of Malang must be familiar with Protestant Church in Western Indonesia, Immanuel Malang, or GPIB Immanuel Malang. Located in the Malang City Square, this church is also known as Gereja Jago, in which Jago refers to a rooster ornament on the roof of the church. For 163 years, GPIB Immanuel Malang has defied and become the silent witness to the development of the city of Malang. This church has been established since the 1861 during the Dutch colonialism with the official name Protestantse Gemeente Te Malang. This church is built with a neo-Gothic architecture style with a basilica or cross-shaped building characteristic. It is very modest, yet huge and also elegant, like a European-style architecture in the 17th century. Looking outside of the church, large windows and doors have remained since the Dutch colonialism. The color of cream and chocolate also dominated the constructions of GPIB Immanuel Malang. One huge door, which is directly opposite the Malang City Square, is used as the main entrance to the huge and super high ceiling building. Inside of the church, there is an old huge bell made of iron and the bell tower that is decorated with a spiral staircase made of teakwood. However, this bell is no longer used by the communions. As an ordinary historical building, this church also stores several historical objects. In a room in the back of the church, you may see names of the Dutch priests and Dutch people who were in charge of the church. It is displayed in a wooden frame. Those priests include the famous GFG Brumun. And aside from that, a blueprint of a renovation plan in the 1910 is still on display and well maintained, so that the history of the church building can still be traced back from time to time. This church began to stand alone in December 1948, and since then it is officially led by Indonesian priests. Until now, GPIB Immanuel Malang still operates actively for the Christian to pray and worship, without changing the architectural elements from the Dutch colonialism. This church stands firm and well maintained and has become one of the historical icons in the city of Malang that is still actively operating. What an interesting history from one of the cultural heritage sites in the city of Malang. As an Indonesian, we should be proud for still staying and living with history. Let's keep an eye on Indonesia's memoir. And with that, I am Arin Putri Zafira Pardede. I will see you later in the next Encompass Breaking News History.